Have you ever said, I am agree? If you have, don't panic. You are not alone. Millions of English learners make this mistake. And today, in just a few minutes, you will understand why it is wrong and how to fix it forever. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are tackling one of the most common mistakes in spoken English, I am agree. If you have ever said it, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will never make this mistake again. So, let's break it down simply. In English, agree is a verb. And verbs in English do not follow am, is or are directly. Think about these examples. I am go. I am eat. I am agree. These all sound wrong, right? That's because am is used before adjectives, not verbs. For example, I am happy. I am ready. I am tired. But agree is not an adjective. It's an action, a verb. So, correct form is simply I agree. Short, simple, perfect. Okay, let's level up your English. How do you use English correctly in real sentences? Number 1, agree with person. For example, I agree with you. She agrees with her manager. They don't agree with him. Number 2, agree on, decision or plan. Examples are, we agree on the plan. They agree on the budget. Third one is agree about, general topics. Examples are, we agree about the issue. They don't agree about the reasons. And here is a bonus. Do you agree? Never say, are you agree? Correct one is, do you agree? Why? Because agree is a verb. Use do, not are. Let's look at some more examples. I am agree. It's wrong. Correct one is, I agree. We are agree on this. Correct sentence is, we agree on this. Let me tell you a quick story so you never forget this grammar rule. Imagine two friends, Sarah and Omar. Sarah says, I think pizza is the best food in the world. Omar wants to express agreement, but he says, I am agree. Sarah looks confused. Are you happy? Are you hungry? Or do you agree? Omar corrects himself and says, oh sorry, I agree. Sarah smiles and says, now we agree. Now we can order pizza. What's the moral of the story? Agree is an action. So it's a verb, no am. Just say, I agree. Alright, your turn. Fix these sentences. I am agree with your idea, which is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I agree with your idea. They are agree about the rules. The correct sentence is, they agree about the rules. Are you agree? The correct sentence is, do you agree? We are agree on the solution. The correct sentence is, we agree on the solution. Here is something even advanced learners forget. You can use am with agreed because that word with a D becomes an adjective. For example, we are agreed on the terms. This is more formal and less common, but it is correct. But I am agree, always wrong. I am agreed, formal, rare, but correct. You don't need this for daily English, but it's great for professional writing. Great work today. Now you know exactly when to use I agree and why I am agree is incorrect. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe and check out for the full playlist for more common grammar mistakes. See you in the next video and trust me, you will agree this one helped.